Hello, David here, and the project for today is making a roll pin holder. Roll pin, also known as a spring pin, looks like this. It's made out of a flat piece of steel that's rolled, hollow on the center. It's used to hold two or more pieces together, two or more mechanical pieces. The ends are chamfered to make it easy to drive in the hole, and that's because the roll pin is slightly larger than the hole, and that's so there's a tight fit so the pin doesn't fall out. This is a roll pin punch. Notice the nub on the end? That keeps the end from slipping off of the roll pin. Fit together just like that. This is a 1/8 inch roll pin. So what I'm thinking of doing is using this tool. This tool is given away by the dentist after a visit. He used to have a rubber tip on the end for massaging your gums. Since the handle is neuralized and it's tapered along here, I thought this would be a good candidate for making a roll pin holder. I thought if I could cut this off and drill cut it off about here and drill a hole to fit a roll pin. The size of the hole is critical because it has to hold the roll pin securely. If it's too loose, the roll pin could fall out. So it has to be, I'm guessing, either the same diameter as a roll pin or slightly smaller. And this, I don't know what this metal is. It feels like an alloy because it's pretty lightweight. So hopefully it'll be easy to drill. Got a file to clean up the cut. Also want to make sure that it's straight. Okay, this is what I got. I got two of these handles. You certainly don't have to make these. You can buy these. They're about $6 or $7 a piece, plus maybe $6 or $7 shipping. I've got these two roll pins I want to accommodate. Let's measure them. It's about 0.127. 0.093. I think the 3/32 drill bit ought to fit the 0.093 roll pin. Give it a try. I'm going to mark the center. Do a test fit. It's pretty loose. I think I'm going to drill down a little bit deeper with the next smaller drill size. I'm not especially pleased with the fit of this one. I feel that the roll pin fits in too loosely. But it will work if I don't have to hold the pin upside down, because it could fall out. If I could get a horizontal hold while I tap it in the hole, that should be good enough. Let's try the 8.127 one. Oh, that was way off. A little better. Get some cutting oil. Check the fit. Ooh, that's tight. That's going to be good. The thing is, hammering this in, it's going to go in deep and become too tight. See if I can wallow this out a little bit. Everybody likes things loose, but not too loose. You know how to get a set of reamers. Wouldn't that be good? I definitely don't need to go deeper. This material is definitely aluminum, and I'm much happier with the fit. Pretty snug. It's going to work just fine. I know I'm a primitive machinist, but at least I have two working roll pin holders. This one's kind of a semi-holder, but I think it'll function. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Bye now.